Hey guys, it's Karen Mara. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a Cash Club Fund review. You probably saw this business around on the internet, wondered what it's all about, if you should join or not. I did my research just to let you guys know if it's legitimate or not. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well. Just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. Again, this is the Cash Club Fund review. What exactly is it? Basically, it's a mailbox money program where you make money by sending money in the mail so that you can promote the program to other people. And the website claims that it's a done-for-you system and you can receive $100 on autopilot. The owner I was able to find was John, but he goes by Chad Stalvey, and he's been involved in several different network marketing companies over the years. But the domain for Cash Club Fund was registered in October of 2018, so it's been around for at least a year. The products, I was not able to find anyone really showing what the products were, other than it's some training software. I think when you're at the lower level, it's more like email marketing, and when you get to the higher level, it's more like Pinterest and Instagram and things like that. You do get a back office, you do capture pages and sales pages as well. You get this Cash Club Fund kit as well, and that is where you have a welcome letter explaining the program, you have a get started guide, you have the company phone number and address that you can send your money in, and you have frequently asked questions, and also there's like a envelope with something, a piece of paper where you can hide the money that you're sending in. The cost to join, I found two different things, so if you guys, you can correct me if this is not correct. I saw $100, but then I also saw $80 that you send to the company, and it's going to be cash that you send to the company in the mail. And then when the company gets the money, they divide it and they send it out. It looks like they give you weekly payouts. So the way that it's divided, the $80 is divided up to $20 for the person that referred that person to the Cash Club Fund. And then the other $20, one goes to the first upline member, the other goes to the second upline member, and then the last $20 goes to the company. So basically the company gets the $80, they keep 20, and they send out 20 to 3 different people. But you have to go through a website to join, and when you join, your link will then be placed in the rotator. This is what I found in my research. So basically, there is some digital marketing training, but it's one of those where you have to pay in order to promote it, which in the eyes of the FTC is not good, because a lot of companies like this do get shut down. You basically, to be compliant, you have to not have to pay in order to promote it. You should have digital products that people can just purchase, but then they can also become an affiliate if they choose to. So with this company, you have to pay for the products in order to promote it. So that's not, like I said, good in the eyes of the FTC, and a lot of companies like this have gotten shut down. Now I would say the pros, it's low risk, obviously. It's just $80 or maybe it's $100, unless you don't have that money to risk anyway, but it's not like you're joining a company for $10,000. Some of these companies are up to $50,000 to join and be able to earn commissions. So it is low cost, so you're not going to be out that much money if you don't earn any money. And I'll say on some of the reviews that I read when I was researching this company, in the comments, that a lot of people said they didn't make any money, even though they were put into the rotator. That's obviously no guarantee that you will earn any money. And those are some of the things to consider also with this company, is that most likely you will not get sales from the rotator, and if there's a lot of people in the company, you're not going to get that many clicks to your link. And there is in my research, I saw there was, you could upgrade, I think it's called Pro, that it was $150 a month. And then I think you would get more spots in the rotator. And if you guys know for sure on this and I'm incorrect, make sure you leave a comment below. But that is what I found in my research, the best that I could find. And even with that, you have to wait a long time before your link goes through, because there's going to be a lot of people going through that. And then also the $150 a month, what is that for? I mean, it has to be for some product. It can't just be in order for you to make money, you're going to pay $150 a month. It just doesn't make any sense. The commissions are small, so you only get like $20, and that's going to take you a long time. Let's say you want to replace your income and not have to work anymore at a job. It's going to take you a lot of $20 commissions in order to do that. And that's why I like big ticket programs. But the other thing is that the profit margins are going to be very low. So you send in $80, you're going to need 5 sales to even make a profit. So that's a lot for some people. Some people don't ever make any sales, or maybe just 1 or 2, but you have to make 5 in order to even be profitable. And also you have to wonder, like, what are you really learning how to market? Are you learning what are the products in there? Are they really teaching you, are they high quality, or are they just a product that they put back there in order to have a product, so that it's not just cash gifting where you're sending cash in the mail so that you can get cash in the mail. So those are just some cons and considerations that I thought about it, but I did see that people are making money with it, so it could be a way that you could make money from home. I would personally not really recommend it, because I don't think it's a company that's going to last very long, just because of the structure of the company. So if you guys have any information on the Cash Club Fund that I didn't include, make sure you leave it in the comments below. And if you've had success with it, leave a comment below. And how do you market it? What have you had the most success with, so other people can see that if you are interested in joining. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. I hope you guys found some value in this Cash Club Fund review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And again, if you want to learn more information like this, make sure you click the subscribe button. And if you do need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. And if you want to learn how to build a long-term sustainable business on YouTube, that'll be the second link in the description. You can check that out if you'd like as well. With that being said, this is Karen Mayer signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.